The Almighty has forbidden blind obedience, meaning submitting to someone without knowledge is not allowed according to His teachings. The individual you will follow might be highly skilled and might be advocating for something extremely correct, but you cannot follow them without having knowledge, understanding, comprehension, questioning, and observation that they are genuinely calling for something right. Even if it's the Prophet Muhammad, what is he saying when he calls? He says, I am calling. I appeal to the path of Allah. Rasulullah appeals, we appealed, appealing to Allah, but still states, based on knowledge. This document remains in that location. By comprehending with insight, realizing, and then grasping the fact that this is true, you will follow step by step in understanding and practice. Therefore, when entering the religion, he was making them say, I bear witness, and I also bore witness. Otherwise, he would make them say, whatever you say, we confirm that it is okay. However, no, I also witnessed it firsthand. I saw it myself. I observed it with my own eyes.